The Riddle of the Earth, Chapter 11. Coalfields, Coincident with Drift Age. If the coalfields of the north are studied, it will be seen that they are almost entirely limited to the area smitten in the manner indicated. The regions that suffered the worst, such as the Clyde, South Wales, Somerset, Northumberland and the Midlands, produced the best coal, especially South Wales, known traditionally as the Celtic Hades. Scotland, it is true, felt the awful effects still more, but if coal is comparatively rare north of the Clyde, it is because the mountainous and rocky soil was not conducive to the growth of the forest trees whose petrified remains in the more alluvial lands of the south we now burn in our ships, factories and grates. Ireland should possess many more coal reserves that are yet discovered. Germany, Belgium and France, rather from the actual heart of this event, possess inferior coal or lignite at lesser depths and not so highly carbonized, and it is probable that the coal in these countries was produced at a different epoch, and in the case of the Ruhr coalfield earlier than at least the Welsh coalfield. Coal has been produced by similar effects in many parts.